Need help with affiliate marketing? These tips can help. You've created a website and an online business, so it's time to work on the affiliate marketing aspect. You probably have lots of questions on how to start and what to do, but don't worry, this video can assist you. Listed below are some tips that will help you get started with the affiliate marketing of your website. When selecting an affiliate program, be very sure to read the fine print of your contract, and especially beware any exclusivity clauses. An exclusivity clause may dictate that you can only promote that company's products on your website. This can seriously impact your earnings if you plan to use multiple programs. Affiliate marketing opens the door for many people who are looking to start a home-based business. As long as you have the technical know-how, this is an ideal opportunity to make a living or supplement your income, depending on how much time you want to invest in the undertaking. Setting up a website promoting the products you are trying to sell is the first step, but don't stop there. Take advantage of email, blog forums, social networking sites and chat rooms to reach as wide an audience as possible. Write videos about the products, and post them on your own website to increase your traffic. Join one or many affiliate programs. One of the benefits from working at home is that it gives you the flexibility to choose your own hours. With some dedication and commitment, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to turn that spare room into an office. Now you should be much more prepared when it comes to affiliate marketing. If you thought that you were ready before, well, you should now be very ready now. The tips that were given should have provided you some advice that can help you get started with the affiliate marketing of your website. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.